So this is what we're gonna do. We are excited for this trip. Let's see how it will be. ചേട്ടൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ വന്നോട്ടെ. So they charge 1,000 rupees per person. They only have one elephant. Minimum 2 people have to be riding. So they won't let you ride one at a time because I'm sure because it's costly, too much time consuming. They said 15 to 20 minutes. So we are taking 3 rides. So 2 and then 1 person can go alone. And we are doing this because Joseph suggested us. Otherwise, I probably would have never think of this elephant ride. And this is even the first time for me. This is actually the black pepper plant. You can see the black pepper, it's green right now. And then it will turn into black once you pluck it and when you dry. Careful! എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു elephant ride? നല്ലതാണോ? Okay. So they said the elephant ride was good. Hopefully we will also like it. These are all just wildflowers. It's actually giving him shower right now. Today's star. He's asking the elephant to turn. Asking her to turn. She is obeying him. So that's a group going. It's going to be 15 to 20 minutes ride for them. I think there are a couple others before us and then only our turn will come. They are taking a break there. We don't know what's going on. Oh, that's the stick for him. അതെന്നത് കൊടുക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയാവോ? തിന്നാനാ? That's for to feed the elephant. Oh, you did? Okay. Yeah. So he eats this palm branch. He loves that. So Josiah can give us rides everywhere. Also, our private tour guide. Oh yeah. Yes. Guys, that's actually cardamom. Those green ones. Once they are grown enough, then we will pluck them from there. This is the cardamom plant. These cardamoms are very expensive. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yep. See, these are really fruitful. Okay. Yeah. So this is black pepper. This grow as a vine, and you can see the peppers here. It's green right now. I hope it's clear that you can see. It's green. See, these are all green. And once they are fully grown, then they will turn into darkish green, and then they will turn into black.
They're not doing cultivation for this one, right? They're just growing it.
So this is the dark green peppers. I hope you can see it is dark green, and then they will turn into reddish. That's when it's time for the harvest. Then they will pluck them and dry them, and then it turn into black. So guys, this tree, this is actually the nutmeg. I don't see any of them, but this is the plant for nutmeg. But I have shown you the nutmeg before also in my video. So he's actually preparing this palm branch ready for the elephant to eat. He will cut it into a piece where the elephant can take it easily, and then they will feed the elephant every now and then. Okay. Yeah. So the elephant will eat the leaf and the branch separate. ഇത് രണ്ടും രണ്ടായിട്ടല്ലേ കഴിക്കുന്നത്? എല്ലാം സെപ്പറേറ്റും Oh, yeah. Up there. They are up there. So he's separating the leaf and the branches. So what they do, they feed the elephant the leaf at one time and the branches at a second time. So that will less wastage. So guys, I met this couple. They are from Bombay. What's your name? Sanjeev. And? Me too. They're a young couple. You can see they're on honeymoon. Honeymoon on the elephant. Yes. And then they are going to Tekri?
Yeah. They're going to Tekri, Munnar.
Yeah. Okay. How do you like Kerala so far?
So far it's very beautiful.
Very nice? Okay. Okay. Yes, nice meeting you. Let's meet him. Tell me your name.
My name is Hiram.
Hiram?
Yes.
Hiram. He is also from Bombay.
Yeah.
Is it your first visit in Kerala?
Yeah, this is the first time visiting Kerala.
Okay. Are you traveling alone?
No, I have friends.
Okay.
Friends have come. Yeah, it's good. Kerala is really good.
Yes.
It's God's own country for a reason.
Yes. Thank you. It is our God's own country. Yes. And these are my new subscribers here. Yes. Thank you.
It's good with the vlogs, I must say.
Oh, thank you. Look. He's breaking that palm branch. So guys, again, this is the black pepper wine. Look, Josiah found one of the seed that fell off because it's not 100% grown. So we are going to take that. So that's how they grow. Yeah. Guys, I hope you can see lots of them there. That's the black pepper. All waiting patiently for their turn. Are you guys ready? Are you guys scared? No. She looks very friendly anyway. Again, her name is Chalanga. So, guys, this is actually a small coffee plant. Look, he's eating some of that leaf.
Big Mac. ഞാൻ അവിടെ കണ്ടേക്കാട്ടോ വെള്ളം കുടിക്കണം.
Hi guys, it's actually my first time experience.
So he needs few minutes break. He wants to drink some water. He's feeling hot. He wants to cool off.
How do you know the elephant is hot?
He told us there itself.
No, how the elephant knows?
I'm sure from his behavior he knows. He's sitting on the floor.
Go sit on there. Here, like this.
Should I sit there?
You might. If you don't fall, you good.
He loves his shower.
Ask, कौन सा shampoo use करते हैं? बता. Ask her what shampoo she use. Yeah.
So what they were telling, she is one of the youngest elephants in Kerala actually. We don't have too many elephants in Kerala anymore. Look how he's enjoying the cold water shower. So she's enjoying her shower. Mm. She's having a nice little break.
I really like that model.
Look how she's swaying her trunk. Oh, look, she is eating again.
You listen to him.
Careful, careful. Yes. Over. Alright, go. Good luck. ഇയാളെ തിരിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുവന്നില്ല എനിക്ക് വലിയ കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല കേട്ടോ. I said even if he don't bring you back, I'm fine. So that's my big baby. That's the dramatic one.
I'm tired. Let me hear. Olivia just went inside herself.
While I just realized they are all wearing green. They are all.
That's in the ammo set.
Who, the guy with the elephant?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. So they use this for the Ayurvedic kiji. Yeah. So guys, that's vanilla plant. So they have lots of spices here. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, so this is poison devil tree.
Look. Papa, the devil.
Anali Vegam.
Don't touch it, it's a poison.
Not that. Yeah. Yes. This is the cocoa. Look, the fruit is here, guys. No. So these are the
Is it the
cocoa
chocolate
fruit.
thing? Oh yeah, the cocoa beans.
Yes.
Can we take one?
No, we can't
Mom,
take
is this the
one.
one that makes the chocolate?
Yes. Yes.
That's cocoa.
Yeah, but these are very expensive, so we cannot pluck them. Yes. No, we cannot. Oh yes. Oh yes. See the red ones, girls? That is the coffee plant.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Yeah. And they are actually edible.
They are?
Yes.
What is it, coffee bites?
Kind of sweet and bitter.
Ew. What?
My leg stuck there.
Is it
My leg was stuck there. You was no problem.
Well, at first I had some problem, but then I fixed my leg properly.
How I still.
Okay. So this is also an Ayurvedic medicine also.
more vanilla?
നീലയമരി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സാധനം നീലയമരി ഇത്
Okay.
മുടിക്കൊക്കെ നല്ല ഇതിട്ട് എണ്ണ കാച്ചിയൊക്കെ തേച്ച് നല്ല മൾബറി അത് മൾബറി
Okay. Girls, that's actually mulberry plant.
Oh, aloe vera.
Yeah, aloe vera. Yeah. Mulberry. That's the blackberry. There is no fruits in there though. Okay.
Wait,
So
look.
this is indigo plant. He said this is very good for hair growth. And this is our. ഇത് പേരയല്ലേ?
പേര്
അല്ല, no. It
ഇത്
looked like,
വേറെന്തോ.
yeah. Looked like Goa, but it wasn't.
പേര് നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ
Yeah. Oh, maybe this is the way to go out.
അതാണ് ജാക്ക് ഫ്രൂട്ട്.
Yeah, yeah. This is our jackfruit tree. Yes.
അതുകൊണ്ട് ചക്ക ഉണ്ടായി വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
Oh, yeah.
ഇതാണ് ചക്ക വിരിയുന്നത്.
Look how the jackfruit is blooming here. It's going to turn into 100 times bigger than that. Okay. So Goa plant. This is Goa plant. Mango tree. Nice teaching.
Oh, sweet one. Thank you.
I mean, this was a one-time visit. It was okay for a one-time visit. So guys, I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your continual support. If you are watching this for the first time, please like and subscribe and let me know what changes I need to make. And see you guys in the next video.